When communication systems at sea need an upgrade, trust matters. Zenitel leads full retrofit projects, delivering modern IP systems without the need for new cabling. Our proven retrofit solution uses the vessel's existing cabling, minimizing disruption and cost. Zenitel configures and installs complete systems with precision, ensuring future-ready functionality.
On Silja Serenade, we updated over 600 endpoints with minimal downtime, thanks to proper preparation and experience.
It's not about the hardware alone. It's about skilled preparation, integration, and real-world experience.
Once the system is in place, it just works, and that's what Zenitel delivers.
For smaller vessels, Zenitel also offers compact retrofit packages, pre-configured and scalable. Smarter retrofits start here. Discover more at zenitel.com.